power is in you. Just take hold of it. Hello, everyone, and welcome to SV Talk series Mindset is Everything. And today I'm going to talk a bit different. Yes, it is definitely going to be about the mind, the power of subconscious mind, and how you can use that power. But for that, we need to understand first what you sow, so shall you reap. We have heard that statement a number of times already. But how does it actually relate to the mind? जिस तरह से किसान अपने खेतों में जो फसल चाहता है उसी के वो बीज डालता है, अगर उसे आम का फल चाहिए तो उसे बीज भी आम के ही डालने पड़ेंगे, राइट? जनरल वे में अगर बात की जाए तो अगर अच्छी फसल चाहिए तो बीज अच्छे होने चाहिए, और अगर बीज खराब हुए तो फसल या तो होगी ही नहीं या खराब हो जाएगी, राइट? सिमिलरली अवर माइंड इज़ अ गार्डन, और इस गार्डन में आप जैसे थॉट्स देंगे उसका रिजल्ट भी आपको वैसे ही मिलेगा. सो बेसिकली what I want to say is simply that we all have a power within us, the power to choose, the power to choose what we want in our life. How? So for that, you need to just stop, just take a pause and think about it. Think about every aspect of your life, whether it is financial, whether it is career, it is the relationships that you have, the friends that you have, or the social behavior, right? Look into all the areas and think about it. What thoughts, what beliefs do you have? What are the beliefs that I've already shared? The thoughts that you have continuously given to your mind has actually become your beliefs, and on that only your subconscious mind is working. Whatever current situation that you have is because of those beliefs. So now you have to just look in all those areas of your life, how the situation is right now, and what are those thoughts, what are those beliefs within you which are imbibed so deep that have actually created that reality in front of you. A big thing, isn't it? It is simple, but it is not that easy. But once understood, the life will take a turn. Yes, it will. But then you need to accept it, to check it out in all areas of your life, and then you have to accept the situation, and then comes the time you start getting the solution. And the solution to this, whatever note, once you understand what are those thoughts, those beliefs that you have put in your subconscious mind which have created the reality that you currently have, if you want to change the reality in any of these areas, then you need to do something. You need to take some steps one by one. You cannot change it in one day, but you need to take small steps. And what are those steps that I will share with you? And for that you need to stay tuned, and I will be sharing the power, one of the power through which you can actually start changing your beliefs. And the moment your beliefs start changing, your reality will slowly and gradually definitely gonna change, because whatever reality you have right now is because of those beliefs which you have already created till now. So I'll see you in the next video with one very simple idea that you can apply to change your belief, to shift your belief basically, not to change it completely in one go, but to shift from what you have to what it should be. But for that you need to do this exercise by heart. Do it, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and most importantly, love yourself. Bye bye.